Hello everyone. In our last classes we have learned about angles, triangles and its types. Okay, and different types of numbers. Okay, today we will be learning basic units of geometry. Those are like line segment, and everything. Let us see what they are. First, a line. Normally we find different types of lines. Right? Okay, so what are lines? A line is a single, like one-dimensional figure which can extend on the both sides. Okay, normally a line is indicated in this way. Okay, that means where these lines can extend, here also it can go to infinity, and this side also it can go to infinity. Okay, there is no end point for a line. Okay, next, ray. A line which starts at a point and goes off in a particular direction to infinity is called a ray. So for ray, actually it is just like from here. Ray is a part of a line. It is like from here to here, where one side it is a end point and one side it goes to infinity at any side. For example, we call sun rays. Why do we call sun rays? Sun rays is something from where we are getting this. I assume this as a sun. We draw rays in this way, right? That means we are getting it from a source and it goes to infinity. Oh, if we are here, then rays fall on us. If we just dig the ground here, the rays go on there. So it goes to infinity. So one side it has an end point and the other side it goes to infinity. Then that kind of line is called as a ray. Then line segment. A line segment is a line where it has two endpoints. It's a fixed length. It doesn't extend on both the sides, on either sides. If it is 6 centimeters, then it can be only 6 centimeters, and it is a part of line. Okay, for example, this is a line PQ. Okay, and here we have different points A, B, C, D. Here we have one line AB, line segment AB, line segment BC, CD line segment, AC line segment, BD line segment, AD line segment. In this way we have many line segments. Line segment is a part of line. How do we indicate a line is AB? If the line name is AB, then we indicate in this way. Denote it with that. Okay, and if it is a ray, we denote a ray with AB ray. If you find a symbol in this way, one side arrow, then it is called as a ray. If it is a two-sided arrow, then it is called as a AB line. Okay, line segment will be denoted only in this way. Okay, now point. We know a point is nothing. It doesn't have any shape. It doesn't have any size or something. It's just a position. For example, here in this line itself, we have seen like this is D. We are indicating it with what? A dot. It is just to show a position. We use point. For example, we use a point P or point Q or something. We denote it with dot. Intersecting lines. Now, intersecting lines are something like this is a line L and this is a line N. Okay, the lines are meeting at one point here. Such lines are called as intersecting lines, and this point is called as point of intersection. The lines where the position where the two lines meet at point is called as a point of intersection. Intersecting lines are the lines that pass through the same point. These lines are passing through a same point. Assume it as P. Okay, therefore P is the intersection and L and M are the two lines. Next, perpendicular lines. What is the difference between perpendicular lines and the intersecting lines? Perpendicular lines are also the intersecting lines, but it makes an angle 90 degrees. That is right angles. This is x-axis. Normally we see in our graphs, and this is y-axis. Here, these are perpendicular lines because it makes 90 degrees. Any angle which makes 90 degrees, any two lines which makes 90 degrees while intersecting, then those lines are said to be perpendicular lines. Okay, then parallel lines. Parallel lines are the lines which never intersect. It goes on in the same way to a long distance to infinity. Such lines are called as parallel lines. lines. Okay, again, line. A line has no end points. It goes on infinity. Next, ray. A ray has one end points and it goes in one direction to infinity. Then line segment. A line segment is a portion of a line where it has two end points. Then point. A point is has no size or no shape. It just shows us the location or the position of something. And then intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are the lines where the lines meet at one point. Perpendicular lines. The lines where two lines meet by making right angles. They are called as perpendicular lines. Then parallel lines, the lines which never meet each other and goes on in the same way without meeting to infinity, are called as parallel lines. This is a part of our class today. Thank you.